Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marcelin Srevan Burhan, 22nd Management Class, student number 2241102. Here I will explain material about inventory management. Why stock is a key aspect of business. By understanding the importance of inventory management, companies can better operational efficiency, minimize risk, and profit better customer service, which in turn contributes to business growth and success. Next, effects of excess or lack of stock. The impact of a surplus or shortage of surplus in business can have significant consequence on the operational, financial, and reputation of a company. Next, action stock impacts. Stock costs. Storing excess stock can result in high stock costs such as warehouse rental, insurance, and maintenance costs. This can reduce the profitability of a company. Number 2, maintenance costs. Supplies that are left in stock for too long may suffer damage or expiration. Inefficient maintenance of supply may add additional costs. Number 3, team value loss. An excess of stock means the company capital that can be used for other more profitable investment. This can result in loss of value of team and investment opportunities. Number 4, risk of damage or expiry. Excessive supply increases the risk of damage, expiration, or damage the product will force the company to bear losses. Number 5, cash flow reduction. Too much money in the stock can lead to a reduction in cash flow that can be used to finance daily operation. Number 6, incapacity to follow market trends. Excess supply can make companies less flexible in responding to change in market demand or consumer trends. This can result in lower sales and potential losses. Next, impact of lack of supply. Loss of sales. Lack of inventory can cause a company to lose customer and sales. If customer can get the product they need, they probably be looking for alternative from competitors. Number 2, reputation damage. Lack of supply can damage the company reputation, as customer may feel that the company is unreliable in meeting their demands. Number 3, increased emergency purchase costs. Lack of inventory may require companies to make emergency purchase at a higher price, which will increase the purchase cost. Number 4, decrease in production efficiency. In production, a short supply of raw material can stop the production process and result in a reduction in efficiency. Number 5, supply chain distribution. Lack of supply can lead to instability the supply chain, which can into the entire ecosystem business. Number 6, potential loss of sales opportunity. Lack of supply can also result in loss of sales opportunities, especially if the product is not available when there is sudden demand. Next, supply understanding. Stock is a quantity of goods, materials, or products stored by a company or entity in a location such as a warehouse or a distribution center for use in a production process, to meet a customer's request, or for other business purposes. A stock can include a variety of items, including raw material, processed items, finished items, spare parts, and finished projects ready for sale. Next, tips of supply raw materials, processed goods, finished. Number 1, raw materials is a type of supply consisting of a basic material or component used in production process. It is a raw material that has not undergone a process of transformation into a finished product. Examples of raw materials include metals, fabrics, wood, plastic, or electronic components used in production of finished goods. Raw material supply management involves raw material procurement planning, quality monitoring, and sufficiency availability assurance to keep the production process running smoothly. Number 2, item in process, work in progress. Product in process is a type of supply that is product in the production process but not finished. This includes items that have undergone several steps of production but still require additional measures before becoming finished. For example, in car manufacturing, a vehicle that is the process of assembly but has not been equipped with all the components is referred to as a product in process. In process supply management involves monitoring the production process and scheduling so that the goods can be complete on time. Number 3, finished goods. A finished product is a type of inventory that is finished product ready to be sold to a customer. It is a final product that has gone through the entire production phase and has been picked, packed, and conditioned according to a specific specification. Example of finished goods include clothing ready for sale in clothing store, a new car ready to sell a dealer, or a ready to send electronic product to the customer. Material stock management involves stock monitoring, proper stock management, and sales strategies to maximize revenue. Okay. Next, stocks model. Inventory model is a mathematical or analytical tool used in inventory management to assist companies in making decisions related to the quantity of inventory to be ordered, the frequency of ordering, and the timing of ordering. These models are designed to help companies direct balance between the available inventory and the minimum cost of supply. Okay. Number 1, the EOQ model is one of the most well-known inventory models. It helps companies determine the optimal number of orders to be placed in one order. This model takes in account the cost of ordering, stock costs, and demand levels. Number 2, the ROP model helps the company determine the minimum level of inventory that must exist before additional inventory orders are placed. When inventory reaches the ROP level, a new order applies to prevent inventory stocks. Number 3, the GIT model is an approach that focuses on procurement of supply according to customer requirements, so the supply are kept at a very low level. This helps reduce stock costs, which requires a high efficiency supply chain. Conclusion: in business, inventory management is the key aspect, finding a balance between sufficient inventory to meet customer demand and cost minimization to consumers. A stock is a quantity of goods, material, or product stored by a company for use in production, meeting customer requirements, or that business purposes. The main types of supply are raw materials, item in process, and finished goods, each having important roles in supply and production chains. The inventory management cycle involves planning, procurement, stock, monitoring, order processing, delivery, and continuous inventory evaluation. Stock model like AOQ, ROP, GIT, and other are used to help companies make the right stock decision, minimize cost, and increase efficiency. Good inventory management helps companies maintain smart operation, meet customer demands efficiently, reduce stock costs, and maximize profitability. With prudent inventory planning and management, companies can afford surplus or shortage of inventory and optimize their business operations. I can explain that. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.